Top headlines for the day.
Any news related to Salman Khan or his films directly make headlines and increase our anticipation level. Here's another news that will excite you. According to Gossip Mongers, it is said that Salman Khan has locked the music director and the next song for his upcoming dance-based film. Yes, the composer Himesh Reshammiya will now compose songs for choreographer turned director Remo D'Souza's untitled film. Himesh is a good friend of Salman, who had earlier given music to his previous film, Prem Ratan Dhan Payo, and now will compose music for Remo's film. Also said that Reshammiya has recently composed a holy track, which has been finally locked for the film. Now, isn't that amazing? Usually holy numbers always work wonders amongst the audiences, and guess this will be no less, है ना? Currently, Salman is busy shooting for Tiger Zinda Hai, and after wrapping up, Khan will take up Remo's film. So all Bhai fans out there, are you excited for the song? Do tell us in the comment box below. Oh my god, hold your hearts people, for this may really make it beat faster like never before. Yes? Well, we are talking about Salman Khan and Amy Jackson's first ever lookbook from the Being Human Clothing 2017 shoot. Both the stars have nailed it in their glamorous avatar. The big-wheeling Emmy and thunderous Salman has bewitching stare. Fans have already gone bananas over this brand new photo shoot of the same. Salman's chemistry with Amy Jackson has taken the internet by a storm. The rumor of Salman and Emmy's hookup has done around initially when the two were seen hanging out together almost all the time. So finally, now we know it was this charismatic photo shoot that was coming up. So guys, what do you think? Do comment below and share your valuable thoughts with us. For more hot and steamy updates, stay tuned to Bollywood Spy.
We told you guys already that Katrina Kaif and Bhaijan have left for Austria, and they have kick-started the shooting for the first schedule of Tiger Zinda Hai on a high note. But guys, do you know there is one thing that is keeping Sallu Bhai a little worried? Wondering what it is all about. Remember we told you that Katrina badly injured her back during the shooting of Jagga Jasoos. Well, she hasn't completely recovered from that now and still suffers pain many a times. And that has got Salman really worried right now. According to a source, Salman is constantly checking on her health ever since they have landed in Austria. Not only this, he has also advised everyone on the set to make her feel comfortable. They will be doing easy sequences for now. Even the song they were planning to shoot has been postponed. Now this is such a sweet gesture on the part of Salman, isn't it? He's so caring. What do you guys think? Comment below.
Olia Vantur stormed in Bollywood with Salman Khan, and just after the rumors of her being his girlfriend evolved in the media, the rumors were being even more stronger when Olia flowed her Instagram feed with pictures of her riding Salman Khan's horse at his Panvel farmhouse or making her presence felt at Salman's private parties. Since then, we can't help but keep a tab on this Romanian beauty. Recently, the chick posted a mirror selfie on her Instagram feed, but what caught our attention was a new bracelet that she bought it from Salman's jewelry line, Being Human. Oh yes, Vantur is seen showing off a new bracelet in the picture. Well, this just adds fuel to the fire, है ना? Though both Salman and Olia didn't come out in open about their relationship, but this picture is doing enough talking, है ना? Should Salman and Olia make their relationship official already or not? What do you think, people? Do let us know in the comment box below.
Filmmaker Ali Abbas Zafar, who's directing the blockbuster Ek Tha Tiger sequel Tiger Zinda Hai, says the upcoming film will feature scenes shot in some exotic locations. Earlier, the director was in a hunting spree and has logged few fancy locations for the film. According to reports, Ali is shooting in fancy-looking places as there will be a valid reason of why Salman Khan and Katrina Kaif are in those places. Now, this is something really interesting, isn't it? Recently, the leads Khan and Kaif shot an action sequence in the sub-zero freezing location, and now the duo have flown to Australia for the next schedule. The director is choosing different places for the film because the script of the film demands so. Tiger Zinda Hai has already created a stir among the fans, and we are probably counting down days for the film. Did this news make you excited? Then comment it below. Right from Amitabh Bachchan to Shah Rukh Khan to Salman Khan, they all once or maybe twice in their lives have rejected the films which ended up being a super hit or a blockbuster. It makes us wonder how they would have looked in the film if they had not rejected it. And today one such film we are talking about is Munna Bhai MBBS, and this was rejected by Badshah of Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan. But before going any further, can you imagine SRK as Bhai? Nahi na? Producer filmmaker Vidhu Vinod Chopra's first choice for Munna Bhai was Shah Rukh Khan and not Sanjay Dutt. Ji haan, Chopra wanted SRK to do Sanju Baba's role in Munna Bhai MBBS, but the Rai star had to back out due to his back surgery. Well, SRK's loss became Sanju Baba's gain, and the rest is history. Vidhu once said that Khan had always been his first choice for most of his films, be it Three Idiots. No offense to SRK, but Sanju Baba did full justice. Hai na? But what do you guys think? Comment it below. Sanjay Leela Bhansali's worries seem to be far from over. After he was assaulted on the sets of his upcoming film Padmavati in Jaipur, here comes another tragic incident where his sets have been vandalized again, and this time in Kolhapur. Reportedly, a group of 50-60 people have set the Padmavati sets on fire in Kolhapur. While the set has been burned down, a case has not yet been filed and no arrests have been made so far. According to reports, the attack took place at midnight using petrol bombs and the fire lasted few hours. Some pictures from the sets have been doing the rounds on the social media and it looks devastating. The picture also shows that the most of the equipments have been destroyed, but the losses occurred are yet to be reported. Looks like Ranveer Singh, Deepika Padukone and Shahid Kapoor starrer is jinxed. We hope everyone is safe and sound. What do you think about this incident? Comment it below.
Superstar Salman Khan changes his look for each of his outings. Be it his hairstyle, his dressing style, or his beard style, the actor does try to make his look different in each of his respective films. So in his next with Ali Abbas Zafar, why will he stay back, right? Well, the actor again changed his look for his highly anticipated film Tiger Zinda Hai. One of the fan clubs of the superstar shared some pictures of Salman from Austria where he is shooting for the film, and we thought this can be his new avatar for the film. Sallu Bhai looks fit, fab and whatnot. Donning a moustache and rugged beard look, the Sultan actor looks dangerously hot. His face looks lean as Khan is shedding a few kilos to get a lean body, and well, the results are impeccable, hai na? We really loved his new avatar. Did you? Let us know in the comment box below. Stay tuned to Bollywood Spy for all your hot and spicy Bollywood news. To see more videos, click on that. Salman Khan has a huge fan following base, and people always tend to crowd outside his Galaxy residence just to get a glimpse of their favorite superstar. Currently, the Sultan star is in town and recently attended Sohail Khan's wife Seema Khan's birthday bash with his rumored lady love Ulia Vantur. And some lucky fans got a chance to meet their idol. And of course, when you meet a star, what do? Take a selfie, na? The fans immediately clicked a perfect selfie with Salman outside his Galaxy apartment that was surfacing on social media. Dressed in his casual best with a cap, Salman looks fresh and cool, hai na? Salman will soon start shooting his much-awaited film Tiger Zinda Hai, and with Katrina Kaif's sudden injury, it might take a while to start filming. Let's hope for the best, guys. Till then, you tell us your views in the comment box below. And don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Spy.
Amit Rukh Khan ringed in his 52nd birthday on 14th of March along with his fans and friends in the media. Much to everyone's surprise, we spotted Shah Rukh Khan outside Aamir Khan's residence. It came nothing but a sort of surprise when Shutterbugs found SRK bonding with Mr. Perfectionist. Yes, Shah Rukh made sure that he meets Aamir on his birthday and exchanged pleasantries. It was reported that King Khan had organized a dinner for Dangal star at his Mannat residence. But since that did not happen, SRK dropped in at Aamir and Kiran Rao's Bandra residence at the wee hours of the morning. Now, isn't that pleasant? While buzz is that SRK and Aamir's growing fondness for each other is nothing but building up a new friendship and nothing related to work. Now, if this doesn't sum up Shah Rukh Khan and Aamir Khan's newfound friendship, then we don't know what will. Whatever it might be, but we are loving this new Yari Dosti between the two leading Khans. Isn't it, people? What do you think? Do let us know in the comment box below. Did you all enjoy the hilariously zombie comedy film Go Goa Gone? Because the sequel to the film is now coming back to tickle your funny bones. Yes, confirming the same, Saif Ali Khan is now getting ready for the part 2. With a whole new story to tell, the trio Saif Ali Khan, Veer Das and Kunal Khemo are coming back together for the sequel. In a recent interview to a leading tabloid, Saif Ali Khan said he would like to make a sequel, but with a different plot that works well with the audience, as some part of the film did not work while some did. Sources close to the project revealed that the original cast including Veer Das and Kunal Khemo will return for the sequel. The project is currently in the scripting stage and is expected to go on floors later this year. So people, how excited are you for the sequel? Do tell us in the comment box below.